Paul had some money. He bought 8 similar t-shirts and had $44 left. If he bought 5 similar t-shirts, he would have $92 left. Okay, because he bought lesser, right? So if you bought lesser t-shirts, of course you're gonna have more money left. How much did 7 similar t-shirts cost? Now to do this, we can draw a model. Okay, for his amount of money. Let's say this is his original amount of money, and he bought 8 t-shirts. He would have $44 left. Okay, so this model is again the money he had. Alright, now if instead of 8 t-shirts he decides to buy 5 t-shirts with the same amount of money he had, if he does not want to buy 8, he buys 5 instead. Okay, so it'll be lesser. 5 t-shirts. He would have $92 left. Okay, which means that we can do some tracing. Okay, so this side here will be $44, right? Same as the top part. So what is 92 minus 44? $92 minus 44 will be $48. Okay, please do your workings at the side, okay? Because this is actually a P4 question, so workings are needed. 92 take away 44. 8. That's right. This will be 8 minus 4, which is $48. Okay? So this section will be $48, which is 8 t-shirts take away 5 t-shirts. That will cost $48. 8 minus 5, that will be 3 t-shirts. Now 3 t-shirts will be equals to $48. 1 t-shirt will be costing 48 divided by 3. Okay, which will be $16, and I want to buy, or rather I want to find a cost of 7 similar t-shirts. $16 times 7. 112. Answer $112.